When disagreements happen, I think it's a case by case way to decide who's responsible. Let's say it's between a retailer and a customer. Here, the retailer's at fault. In that case, the customer's at fault. And where I've had a concern is cafes and restaurants. They run a risk of people walking out without paying. And I've seen it happen. I saw somewhere on the news of a whole bunch of people who went to a pizza place. They ate everything they could find and everything they could see. At about, I think it was 16 people, after filling themselves, got up and just walked out. So in my opinion, I don't have a problem if we have a new way of paying in cafes or restaurants, a method of prepaying, so that there's no risk for the retailer of people walking out, because it's not just the money they've lost, the time and effort they spend preparing for you. I do think they are entitled to that type of guarantee. That's my opinion. We should have some sort of safeguard for them. As always, your opinion is very welcome.